Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the 4-hour time frame, gold went up and made another new all-time high. Yesterday, I said definitely don't count on this move down being the big turn that we're waiting for. I wouldn't be surprised if it went up and made a new high, and that's exactly what it did. Now, this 100% could be an area of resistance. It definitely could pull back there, but we are literally in an uptrend on every time frame. Monthly is definitely up, weekly up, daily up, 4-hour up, wave 3 trend. Wave 3s are very, very strong trends and they can overextend way more than you think they could. So yesterday we were down in here someplace and I said, don't be surprised if this makes a new high. That's exactly what it did. This morning on a little bit of a shorter time frame, there was a perfect little 1, 2, 3 way pullback to go long. So right now I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long at all-time highs. But if it does make a pullback, I still would be doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. If you have not been fighting this trend over the last 3 weeks, but you've just done nothing but go long every single time you see a pullback, especially a 3-way pullback, then you have probably made a lot of money. The people that think they can pick the top of this move and go short thinking it's going to go down in a big way have probably been losing a lot of money. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.